To fold out the upper leg, you grab this lever, which is exactly lies between the two upper gray levers and pull this lever up. And then the upper leg support folds out here by itself and snaps into place at a special position you set beforehand. It depends on how you want to use the upper leg rest. If you are very tall, the leg rest should be set far up. If you are very short, it should be set very low. Are you very stretched? Then you want this leg support to be like here is at a 90-degree angle, then it must be relatively far up. But if you are very unstretched, then the leg rest in detail how this works. You can see 3 screw holes here on the back. Of these, 1 screw hole is not occupied, and this is exactly the position. Where, when the upper leg rest is opened, this leg rest locks into place here. If the position is too high for you, then remove the screw with the supplied Allen key and bring it in here, then drive the pelvic depressor down further. If it is too low for you, then remove and places it in the center. Then it locks in the higher position. The Sturfer is thus in the neutral position. This is very suitable for stretched people, and this is for very stretched people the starting position. However, most people will start out with shortened muscles. And for that, here is this middle lever. Via this middle lever, when pulled to the right and to the left, you can adjust the angle of the pelvic presser. Angles in 0, 15 and 30 degrees are possible in the 30-degree position. It can be seen that here the distance between the upper leg support and of the backrest is very low. A tall person may make the backrest up here. A small person will not be able to, for that it is then required that the upper leg rest can be placed further down. And for this is just down here, this setting with these screws. Required, and this lower lever, with which you can further it individually down, and then we see that we are also up here again. Have more space between the backrest and the upper leg rest. The more stretched you become, the more you can then, over time, hear this angle. And have more and more space in between, and then you can move in. In the course of this, also come further and further up with the upper leg support.